Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks box break number 123. And today, didn't plan on breaking another box of 1920 Black Diamond, but the first break from release, break number 115, is the most viewed video on the channel. Check the analytics just before recording of this break, which is about 9 hours before this break goes live, and it is just a few views short of 500. If you haven't checked out break 115, the first box of Black Diamond, we pulled this double diamond Dante Fabro 16 of 99. So since that break was the most popular, I figured I would break another box. So today, the second box here on the channel of 1920 Black Diamond, we got box number 299. 299, all right. 1920 Black Diamond. Let's dig into it. I know I have cut down Black Diamond a fair bit for being sticker autos and manufactured patches at the price point that Black Diamond is. But first one got the views, so figured I would try another box. So we got our 1-card Exquisite pack and 5-card Black Diamond pack. Let's check out the Exquisite pack first again. And our Exquisite bonus card is nice. Very, very nice. Exquisite collection. Exquisite material. 19 of 25 Austin Matthews. And look at that patch, folks. Let's get that into one touch right away. What a pull. You know what? Honestly, I am happy with this box, even if there isn't anything good in this Black Diamond pack. Because that is a beautiful looking Austin Matthews card. But with no longer ado, let's get into Black Diamond. Alright, decoy is slid in there, and the card's out. Alright, let's see what Black Diamond has in store. We start off with a base, number 124 of 249. Mike Modano. Go down to the bottom. We have a Hall of Fame rings. Of Peter Forsberg. Peter Forsberg, Hall of Fame rings. We have a triple diamond, 94 of 99, Mario Lemieux. Very nice. We have a Diamond Relics jersey of Connor Hellebuck. Do you like the look of those cards? And game used. So can't complain with a game used jersey relic card. Nice looking card. And we finish off with a triple diamond, 60 of 99, Ryan Poehling. Let's get that card in a one touch as well. Beautiful, 60 of 99, triple diamond, Ryan Poehling. If you guys do remember from the first Black Diamond break, I did show off a box that my mom opened in the store, where she pulled this 19 of 25 diamond gemography of Ryan Poehling. So now got 2 diamond cards of Ryan Poehling. Well, folks, I gotta say, not a big Black Diamond fan, but that was a pretty darn good box. Let's do a quick recap. Base, 124 of 249. McMadano, base. Championship rings, Peter Forsberg. A triple diamond, 94 of 99. This is like a tribute to when Black Diamond was a lower end product. Mario Lemieux. Diamond in the rough jersey relics of Connor Hellebuck. And to be honest, folks, I don't know which I like better. 60 of 99 Ryan Poehling, triple diamond, or an exquisite collection, exquisite material, 19 of 25 Austin Matthews. Wow, folks, I'm not going to lie. This box has almost changed my opinion on Black Diamond. Again, kind of a shame no autograph for the price point of a box of 1920 Black Diamond, but you know what? I will take these 2 hits over an autograph, especially a sticker autograph, any day. Wow, the hot streak here on the channel is definitely continuing to roll along. Wow, very happy with this box. Wow, well, folks, if you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below what you think of 1920 Black Diamond, Yeah, this is a great box. I'm almost tempted to open another after this wonderful box. Very happy with this box. So, yeah, like I said, the intro, the first Black Diamond break is the most viewed video, and honestly, I hope this video does well too, because this is a great box. So, yeah, leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're going to continue rolling along here in Overdrive in December with box breaks every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. We got 6-pack Saturday every Saturday. And yeah, coming into January, the way we're rolling with good boxes here, it might be a little tough to go back to one box break a week, but yeah, I will see what January brings, but for December at least, 3 box breaks a week, so definitely make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to box break number 123.